Well, Apple and Google have been dealt with major legal blows in the European Union with potential penalties amounting to billions. The EU's highest court has ruled against both tech giants, marking a significant win for Europe's efforts to regulate the industry. Reports suggest that in Apple's case, the court sided with a 2016 EU decision that ordered the company to pay 13 billion euros back as taxes to Ireland. This ruling comes after accusations that Apple had made illegal tax arrangements with the Irish government, allowing the company to pay minimal taxes on the European operations. The 13 billion euros has been sitting in an escrow account as the case went through appeals, but it will now be released to Ireland, a major financial boost for the country. Apple, however, has strongly contested the ruling, arguing that EU is effectively double taxing the income that has already been taxed in the US. The company insists that the dispute is not about how much tax it pays, but about which government has the right to collect it. This case has become a landmark for Europe's ability to intervene in tax policies of its member nations, especially involving powerful multinational companies. In the Google case, the court confirmed a 2017 ruling that fined Google 2.4 billion euros for unfairly promoting its own price comparison shopping services over those of the competitors. Google had previously appealed the decision, but the court upheld the penalty. While Google claims that it has made adjustments to comply with the ruling, critics argue that the changes don't go far enough to address competition concerns. These two cases are part of EU's broader push to rein in big tech. They represent the shift from relatively hands-off regulatory approach tech companies have previously enjoyed to a more aggressive stance, which has positioned Europe as a global leader in tech regulation. The 13 billion euros in unpaid taxes from Apple and 2.4 billion euros fine for Google shows that stakes are high as regulators challenge the dominance of tech giants. These ongoing battles underline the global pressure on big tech as governments aim to create a more balanced digital economy. The Apple and Google cases in EU could be a turning point in this broader movement.
The last hour. Anything can happen between the bells. But what happens during the last hour is what matters the most. The biggest market swings. A close-up look at what's driving them and how the investors are reacting. Watch the most seasoned market mavens guide you through the most important hour of the trading day. NSE Closing Bell. At these times, only on CNBC-TV18 and CNBC-TV18.com.
For more news and updates, all you need to do is follow CNBC-TV18 on all of our digital platforms.